Swing in Seattle Solo Jazz 2. We put together a little routine today using the music of Naomi and her Handsome Devils. I'm living in a great big way. These are some Frankie Manning steps that we did today. We did some small variations using the same rhythm, but simplifying a few parts, and then maybe adding a little bit after that. Let's start here, shall we? We had our basic Charleston going right and right, left and left. 2 kicks to the front, double kick step. Now we had these rhythms. We could go step, step, and then step, step, step. Or we could make that into a spin and then a slip slop going step, spin, slip, slip, slip. After that we had boogie drops, boogie drop, boogie drop, boogie drop. And the last thing we taught was the sit down Susie Q. Sit down Susie Q. So we sit, we clap, and then we shift the weight over. Ba, 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 ba. And we did that to the left side and the right side. All of these iconic, very cool Frankie Manning steps. Now, with the music.
Got to snap my finger, got the rhythm in my heart. As the ocean say, I'm living in a great big way. Got a hand full of nothing, but I watch it like a heart. And I'm doing okay, for living in a great big way. I'm the salt in the ocean, I'm the sun in the sky.